Isa namang Corgi-themed cafe ang binisita namin sa merong cozy space, excellent coffee, and a chance to interact with the adorable in-house Corgis na tiyak magugustuhan ng mga dog lovers. Kaya tara, silipin natin yan dito sa Wednesday Pets Day.
Sabi nila, dogs leave paw prints on our hearts. At kung minsan, yung paw prints na yon ay nag-iiwan ng inspirasyon. At dito nga, nagsimula ang kwento ng isang Corgi-themed cafe na matatagpuan sa Quezon City. Dahil hango ang pangalan ng cafe nila sa kanilang naging pet Corgi for almost 16 years na si Molly.
Before the cafe, we were into breeding of Corgis already. So, dumadami sila, and at the same time, me together with my husband, anywhere we go, as much as possible, we want to bring our dog Sana with us. Why not a cafe where we can bring all our dogs with us?
Dito ay mayroong 7 Corgis na pwede makalaro ng customers. Pero syempre, kaligtasan rin ang pangunahing prioridad ng naturang coffee shop. Kaya naman, twice a month ang check-up ng kanilang fur babies at updated and complete rin ang vaccine ng mga ito. Bukod pa dyan, mayroon rin ditong station para makapag-sanitize ka. At after every batch of customers ay nalilinis rin ang lugar. Marami rin ang nag-i-enjoy dito dahil sa kakulitan at cuteness ng mga Corgi.
They find the place very relaxing. It's a happy place for them. It's a chill place for them to hang out with their families and friends. And we're dog friendly, so you can bring your pets as well.
Pero hindi lang Corgis ang star dito dahil mayroon rin silang variety of foods and beverages from pasta, rice meals at pastries hanggang sa coffee at non-coffee drinks. Pero ang pinaka-highlight, ang kanilang famous cloud coffee na malambot, frothy at perfect para sa isang awesome cafe experience na hindi mo malilimutan. Kaya kung hanap mo ang perfect combo ng comfort food, dreamy drinks, at heart-melting dogos, dito ka na where tails wag, hearts melt, and every visit feels like coming home.